Dick Strawbridge and Angel Adori have made the decision to wind down their castle business, after applying for a voluntary strike-off from the register at Companies House. Chateau de la Motte Husson Limited was set up by them in 2017, but documents show the company will be dissolved within 2 months of their application date. The application was signed on May 9 by both directors, Dick, 63, and Angel, 45, real name Angela. In May, their website stated, "We are currently on a 2-year weddings catch-up, we will reopen inquiries as soon as we can." Express. Co.uk have approached Dick and Angel Strawbridge's representatives for comment. The news comes after it was announced Channel 4 had decided to cut ties with the Escape to the Chateau stars following a review. The broadcaster walked away from the popular couple despite their main series, which follows the renovation of their 19th-century home, and various spin-off shows being extremely popular with Channel 4 audiences. Last month, a Channel 4 representative told Express. Co.uk, "Following a review we have taken the decision to not work with Dick and Angel on any new productions in the future." The 9th and final season of Escape to the Chateau aired last December and was one of Channel 4's most popular shows, attracting more than 2.5 million viewers. Don't miss. Ranveer Singh in tears after being axed from ITV show just 15 months into role. Latest, Holly Willoughby grins widely in This Morning Break pics after Schofield fallout. TV, Strictly's Jeanette Manrara marks her last big show before giving birth. Admission, fans enjoyed their story as the couple renovated a 19th-century, 45-bedroom Chateau de la Motte Husson in Marchand-sur-Mayenne, France. A leaked audio clip saw Angel reportedly launch a foul-mouthed rant at a producer. Both Dick and Angel broke their silence as they addressed the stories in the press which had circulated about their behavior and alleged clashes with producers. The pair added on Instagram, "There are two sides to every story, and from the incredible support we have received, most of you know that. We are proud of who we are, and we feel we must do what we believe to be correct. That is in fact what kept Escape to the Chateau unique, and whilst we have indeed parted ways with Channel 4, we are hugely grateful to them and their teams for their support and creativity over the years. The future truly could not look more exciting, and we thank you for your continued love and support." Dick and Angel, who tied the knot in 2015, announced their new UK tour on Thursday, which includes 32 dates as the family hit the road next year.